Welcome to this episode of Knitting One, Wearing One. Today I'm knitting and wearing my mithril, one of my most popular designs from the beginning. And obviously, for those who know, it's based on Bilbo's and Frodo's mithril armor that Bilbo received as a gift from the elves, if I remember correctly, which was silvery and had jewels sewn into the front, and it was very light and very strong, and I originally designed it in a silvery white silk mohair, but this one is a gorgeous linen that renders the pattern beautifully. The tuck stitches on the front. I'm wearing it now on the reverse. You knit it on the right side, but it's even prettier on the wrong side. And I'm currently making one from Hex Dye Works vegan base, which is a mix of bamboo and linen. And I think this will be a perfect summer garment. It has these embellishments from tuck stitch on the sleeves and on the front, and while designing it I was actually thinking about if a tuck stitch pattern could pull the hem up in front so you would get a high-low hem, and that turned out to be exactly the case. So mithril.